Sourciate, your sourcing associate.
Hi everyone, this is Amey and I welcome you all to Sourciate's YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about types of machining requirements depending upon volume or quantity. Along with that, we will discuss one of the type in detail. So before going ahead, do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for getting latest updates. So let's get started with our video. Basically, there are 4 types of machining requirements depending upon quantity. First of it is mass quantity requirement or high volume requirement. Quantity of such requirement can ranges from 10,000 units to 10 lakh units per order. Second one is batch quantity requirement or medium volume requirements. Quantity of such requirement can ranges from 100 units to 10,000 units per order. Third type is small batch quantity requirements or low volume requirements. Quantity of such requirements can ranges from 10 units to 100 units per order. And fourth and the last type is toolroom or prototyping requirement. Quantity of such requirement can range from 1 unit to 10 units per order. So in this video I will explain mass quantity requirements in detail. Let's start with the question, what is mass quantity requirement? Mass quantity or high volume orders refer to the large scale demand for specific goods, materials or components typically requested by businesses or industries for production, distribution or operational purposes. In other words, mass quantity requirements are the ones in which customer needs continuous supply of the parts for their further application, which might be directly assembled on their product or may require for sub-assembly. Manufacturers needs to provide daily output as demanded by customers to fulfill their assembly targets. As mentioned earlier, quantity of such requirements can range from 10,000 to 10 lakh units per order. But this is just a benchmark for understanding the quantity. Actual quantity might be between this range or more than this range. In fact, in some cases, customers provide open POs for such requirements. If you are looking for a supplier to fulfill mass quantity requirement, what qualities should you look for? First thing is vendor having a suitable machining setup for setting up production lines. If the machining setup of the supplier is suitable in all aspects for fulfilling technical and output requirements, then execution of such requirements will be easy for supplier. So what if any particular facility is not available with the supplier? In that case, supplier can still fulfill the output requirements by outsourcing specific operation. Second thing is skilled workforce who has all the process knowledge for each stage of manufacturing. Skilled workforce plays a crucial role in manufacturing defect-free production with efficiency. Supplier who has operation-wise skilled team along with contingency plan can fulfill the requirement easily. Next thing is proper inspection aids and instruments for every stage of operation, along with qualified quality assurance team to produce defect-free items. In precision manufacturing industries, producing defect-free products is ensured by availability of operation-specific gauges and instruments along with final inspection gauge set. Supplier should have quality management systems at place to monitor the process performance, capability, and traceability. Quality management systems in any company is very important in terms of scaling the output by analyzing the process performance and taking necessary actions to continuously improve the process in terms of productivity, quality, cost savings, and to have the traceability of the produced goods. Along with that, supplier should have a strong development team to continuously upgrade and optimize tools, methods for delivering cost-effective processes. Also, to scale the output by reducing the cycle time. This team is capable to continuously try new methods to optimize the process and validate it. And the last thing is availability of production capacity. Ensure supplier has the required capacity to process requirement. Supplier cannot serve if he has booked all of his capacity. Now let me tell you how Sourciate can assist you to execute mass quantity requirements. Sourciate can assist with finding the right supplier from India who is capable of executing such requirements. Executing such requirements by partnering with such capable suppliers. Sourciate can provide third-party inspection services to ensure defect-free shipments from India. Sourciate can assist with export quality packing solutions along with the arrangements of logistics to deliver the goods at customer's doorstep. We can support customer or supplier in their development processes and establishment of the production process along with the documentation. If you are looking to source your manufacturing requirements from India, reach us at sales@sourciate.com or visit www.sourciate.com for more details. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you have found this video informative. In next video, we will discuss in detail about batch quantity requirements. Until then, stay tuned, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.